This is Brent with Trade Therapy with a quick update on our hood coverage from the first week in February. We did just take a long position. Don't consider this investment advice. As with all of Trade Therapy content, it's educational content. We do have a clip coming up with a video breakdown of what we saw back the first week in February. As we discussed, price did come back and retake these faster moving averages and back tested them. And we talked about in clarity that the move, the bounce isn't the signal, the back test and hold is the signal. Stick around for the hood analysis after a quick 30-second clip on our educational service Clarity. If you like our videos, you'll love Clarity. We'll see you back here on the Trading Couch next time. This clip is a supplement to Clarity, our weekly educational service. Each week we break down the hottest trades with a top-down view of the sector and related peers. Then we do a deep dive into our spotlight, our featured analysis using the institutional business cycle. As our guide, every issue includes bullish and bearish scenario, as well as trade considerations for all of the charts that we covered. It's not investment advice, but it's how we would handle trades if we were in them. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. There's a QR code up in a second that'll get you 10% off. See you back here on the Trading Couch next time. So they will wait for a reclaim and hold. They want to see price reclaim it. They want to see price hold it. And they want to see price defend it. It's really the difference between a professional reset and a retail trap. A professional reset will reclaim these important levels and then hold them. A retail trap bounces, but then rolls over and makes lower highs and then rolls over into a lower low. And that's why the bounce is not the signal. The hold is the signal. We want to see the bounce, but we want to see it hold here. An even better look at it is to zoom even tighter into the daily. What we see in the daily is we see a fast and violent sell-off here down into this known demand zone right here. It's a known demand zone because that's where this impulsive structure continued.